Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to convert to PDF. So if you want to convert the Microsoft Word to PDF, there are two options. First, you can save as the document into PDF. You can go to File, click Save As, and click Browse. You can change the Save As type into PDF. After it, you can click Save. And another, you can use the print tools. You can click print, or you can change for the printer option in here. You can set into the PDF style because of print to PDF. And the next, you can print this document into PDF. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial, how to convert to PDF. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.